showing you the extra large goat hammer sheath, which is this one that I'm wearing now. As you can see, it's attached to my bag with 3 bolts and 3 locking nuts. Also, it comes with a strap which you can attach to your belt to get it at the sweetest angle you can, the best angle you like. Now, the only real difference between this and our goat hammer sheath is this one here sits your hammer in between the leather, whereas the goat hammer sheath kind of sits on top of the leather. You'll see that in the detail photos as well. Visit our website to buy this, you'll love it. supersonicholdsters.com.au. So grab one of these today, you will really love the extra large goat hammer sheath.